Welcome on to Excel Daily Dose Basic Functions Day 26 Roundup. Myself Dayanand with your Learn and Earn YouTube channel. On this roundup function, again it is a mathematical function which helps us to round the decimal points of a calculation. I have a calculation here which is 90 by 7 resulting some number 12.85714, but I don't want so many numbers to be shown. Either I can do a cell formatting using the format. I can just do go to number in the format and choose how many decimal points I need, or Excel also got an inbuilt function RoundUp which will help us to increase the or round the number that we are looking at, the calculation we are looking at. By default, if I choose 0 as roundup, it will increase to the next nearest integer number, which is 12 is nothing but 12.85 is nothing but 13 is the next integer. But if I would like to round up the first decimal character, I can do that, which is 12.85. It is always moves up to 9. 8, the next value is 5, then 7, so it will increase to 9. Have a look at this. So if I say that I would like to round it up the third character, round up the third character, which is 857, it will move it to 858. So you may ask me, 857 after 7 1, so it shouldn't be rounding to 8, it should be 7. So mathematically speaking, if the next character is less than 5, so we always keep it back to the 7. If it is more than 5, it will be taken as 8. However, round up function will always move the character you are asking it to up. So if I am saying the third character here, third character will be increased, nothing but rounded into up. Right? So we have one more function called round, which is simple round, which helps us to just do the other way, the basic round. If I choose the same function for the third one, you will see the difference. This is acting exactly as per the mathematics which we follow generally. After the third character, if the fourth character is more than 5, increase it. If it is less than 5, decrease it. But when you specifically want to use a roundup, it is always going to increase the value. Okay, so that's it for today. You may not use this function very frequently, but yes, it's good to know formulas, good to know 30 formulas. So a handful of formula which helps you to, we never know, we may get certain situation where we definitely end up using this kind of round up, round down formula. Right. So all right, having said that, happy learning. Keep practicing daily. Thank you. This is Excel Daily Dose. Myself, Dayanand.